We're here in Collegetown Center on the 6th floor landing. I wanted to show you the position of this apartment, number 620, that we're going into, because we are just across from the elevator. That's right over here, across the hall from apartment 620. Let's head on in. This is a north rectangle style apartment. This is our standard model of apartment. We have the most of this style unit here in the building. We are entering through the kitchen. You can see the refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher. There are cabinets and drawers, the microwave, the stove and oven. I like this even number style apartment because we have this nice space right over here on the right. This works out well if you have a small shoe rack or bookshelf or even a narrow table to add into the apartment of your own items here in the apartment. As we go into the apartment, we will pass by the closet on our left. Let's take a look in there. The closet has some good storage space. You can see the shelf and hanging space and good storage space here in the closet. So this is our standard model of studio. We have these in the numbers 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 on these north side or street side of the building on floors 2 through 6. This again is a 6th floor elevator building. Let's take a look at our furnishings. We have that dining table and chair. There's the dresser. You can see the desk and chair, the bookshelf, and the full-size bed. Let's take a look in the bathroom and then we'll go look out the window. The bathroom is over here on our right. You can see we have that tub shower that has the sliding door. There's the vanity that opens up underneath for additional storage, the nice large mirror, the toilet, and the medicine cabinet on the wall there for some smaller bathroom storage items. Let's go take a look out the window. You can see that air conditioner under the window. There's a mini blind on the window for privacy. You can see that heater over here on the wall. Remember, don't block your heater areas in the winter. And let's go take a look. So we're on the north side of the building. This is the Dryden Road side. We have the best people watching opportunities here on the Dryden Road side of the building. So if you like to see what's going on Collegetown, this is the great side of the building to choose. You can see a little bit of a valley view over to our left. And if we go over to the right, we're just near the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road. That's the intersection that is just 1 block to campus here in our centrally located Collegetown building. So again, this is Collegetown Center, apartment number 620. This is a standard style rectangle apartment on the north side of the building. We have a number of these available in the building on all the different floors here at Collegetown Center.